Hey guys, Shaggy's Ideas here, and today I'm going to tell you how you could redeem your Swagbucks. Hey guys, like I said, we're going to redeem some Swagbucks. I have a total of $24, but monthly, like I said before in the other video, they put $25 gift cards for $22 in points, which is 2,200. So we're going to get a Walmart gift card right now. So I didn't really notice it. That's why I started searching it. You can search it. You could search for specifics actually. You could search for different type of gift cards over here. Or you could just search them one by one. You could verify the comments, the ratings on those comments, and so on. The details of the gift card you are purchasing. Then you just hit on the redeem button, and then you have to verify your order. It does ask for your actual home address. I have mine blocked in the video. I guess you could put a fake one. I actually put my real one. So you just hit confirm after putting address, and then it asks you which way do you want to verify. You could do it by email or you could do it by security questions, whichever of the two you prefer. We're gonna do it by email. After you click that, you have to go to your email address that you linked with Swagbucks, and there you should see an email just like right here. And it's gonna tell you hi, your name, and then you ordered, for example, a Walmart $25 gift card. And right there, you have to click verify my order. It could take actually up to 10 days, but as you'll see, I got this like in around 2 days later. So it's not necessarily gonna take 10 days, it could take way less. If you're lucky, you're gonna have it the very next day, but don't count on that. So after a couple of days, we come back. On our email, we should see a message from Swagbucks. In this case being your Walmart gift card is ready. Then you click on view my gift card. You put your password from Swagbucks, click continue, and right there, and just like that, here it is. Claim your gift card right there. And there you have it. That's your gift card. You successfully got your gift card. This is the next step though. You have to print the card. I guess a picture could work, but it's not the same, so just print it out, be safe. There you have it. In the case of Walmart gift cards, this one works online, but you could also go in store. That's why I recommend printing it, because you just scan the paper and bam, right there is the barcode. Make sure to hit that like button, it really helps me out, and consider subscribing for more self-betterment and helpful tip videos.